Eating breakfast helps give you the energy you need to start your day strong, like fuel for your body. In this video, you will watch a recipe of a healthy breakfast. So keep watching this video till the end. A healthy breakfast can improve your focus and help you concentrate better in work. Let's know the ingredients of this healthy breakfast. I will take 1 cup of oat flour. This is oat flour, and 1 cup of oats, and then I will take 2 bananas, you can take 3, and 1 cup of milk, and half teaspoon essence, vanilla essence, honey, and chopped almonds. Cocoa powder, you will take 2 tablespoon, and olive oil. So these all ingredients are very healthy for a healthy breakfast, and see how to make it, and actually that is the kind of a cake. And now I'm going to add these ingredients all together. See how to do. First of all, you have to mash the bananas and keep it aside. Take a bowl and add the ingredients one by one. This is oat flour I am adding, and this is Quaker oats. You will add this, and the other ingredients I am going to add bananas, mashed bananas, and add as well. And the other ingredients like cocoa powder and vanilla essence I am adding. Also these ingredients, this is cocoa powder to enhance the taste, and it is also the healthy thing for health. So I am adding this, and now the other thing is olive oil. Yes, olive oil I am adding. We are not adding any butter or any ghee because they are not healthy for health. So this is very good. Okay, so I'm adding this, and now other ingredients is milk, and this is essence, vanilla essence to enhance the aroma and the taste as well. And the thing is that we are going to make this on the stove on the flame, and you can prepare this breakfast in oven as well. This is milk I'm adding, and now this is ready. And now the thing is baking soda, that is important. Add this half teaspoon. Now I am oiling the pan surface properly, then I will put all the mixture, I will add the mixture in the surface of the pan. Now I have done this, and now I am covering it, and keep thing is very important that you have to keep the flame low and leave it for 45 minutes. In the mid you will turn it back after 30 minutes. That is done right now, and I have keep it, put it in the plate, and now see the texture, see the color, looking so yummy and beautiful. And these are the chopped almonds. I am sprinkling it on the top. You can also add in the mixture when while uh, baking it, and then I will cut it out, and I will show you that how soft this cake is, this breakfast is, and so yummy. See this, I have cut it out, and now I will show you the texture of this breakfast. See this. This is ready to serve, ready to eat, and looking so healthy. Now, I am just one thing I'm gonna tell you, that honey is left. I will sprinkle the honey. You know that we didn't add sugar, and honey is the best thing for health. So I add this on the top. I hope you will like this breakfast. Now I wanna tell you some other benefits of this breakfast. This breakfast can make you feel happier and less grumpy because your body gets the nutrients it needs. Having a good breakfast can help control your appetite and prevent overeating later in the day. which may help with maintaining a healthy weight. When you eat breakfast, you are more likely to make healthier food choices throughout the day. The ingredients I mentioned in this video are very healthy and even not expensive. These all are all about the health. So take care of your health and live a healthier and happier life. Do share, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.